Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get Upterm working in Linux. So if you don't know what Upterm is, it's a terminal-based IDE and terminal emulator, so it can do both. It runs on Electron and it is available for a multitude of operating systems. We cover how to get this working in detail in the article, but as a walkthrough, here we go. So it supports Mac, it supports Arch. As always, we know that if we, excuse me, I accidentally closed it. We know that if we go to AUR and then type in Upterm, we can see that there is most certainly support for this program over there. And we also know that they have an app image for everybody else. So if you're not an Arch user and you don't have the brilliance of automatically compiling the source code, you can either download the source code yourself and make yourself a package, or you can do what we're going to do in this video and grab the app image. So an app image is much like a universal exe for Linux. So once I download this program here, and you may remember app images because when we talked about the Etcher app on here, we did that too. But here's the app image. So we can right click and then click properties, and then we just do permissions, allow executing as a program, and then we just click open. And what it'll say now is it will say, would you like to integrate home Derek Upterm app image with your system? So I'm going to say no because I don't want to run it from my downloads folder, but what you should do is you should go here and create a folder and say app images. Rename this folder as app images. Now the reason you should do that is because app images run directly where they install directly for them where they're run. So if I open it here, it's going to ask me to integrate it with the system. So once I do that, I know that this is where all my app images are, and then Upterm will open right here and I can start programming. If I want to do a terminal command, say I want to do SSH, I can do, and I can connect to my Ubuntu server right in Upterm. And I can use my Ubuntu server, and I can even update it just like a regular terminal. So, and the server in my living room is running and it's doing what it should be doing. But at the same time, I can also use this as, like, I can open up another session and I can start programming. I'm not a programmer. I don't really know anything about programming, but it lets you open up different sessions and it lets you do a lot of stuff. If you're a developer and you like terminal-based stuff, you want something elegant, please check this out. Here is the, let me see, here's the developer tools. So we turn on developer tools. We can see it's pretty much just a Chrome app, but it's built on Electron and it's pretty nice. Terminal and an IDE. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish I could show you more, but I am not a developer by any means. Still, Upterm is pretty cool, and it lets you do a lot of different stuff. See, like, if we watch this GIF here, we can see there's lots of stuff going on. Stuff that I don't understand. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it.